Hello, this is my gateway and this is my sensor node. So when I power out my gateway, so you can see there are three parameters. The first one is conductance, second one is temperature, and then heartbeat. So there is no value here yet because the sensor node is not turned on. So this is my sensor node. So this is the heartbeat sensor, this is the body temperature sensor, and this is the GSR sensor. So when I turn on the sensor node, you can see this heartbeat sensor is light up, and also when I wear the GSR sensor and body temperature sensor, it will show the values here. The value will update every 2 seconds, and the data here will be pushed to the cloud through the GSM module. So that's all for my project. Thank you.